freaking Mr. Bird show! Grab your freaking popcorn right now!
Yo, I'm gonna go eat some because I'm hungry. Hope there's something in the fridge so I can eat. Something in the fridge. Now what the f is this shit? Popeyes? What is Popeyes doing in my refrigerator? Who's been eating chicken? And why is there churches in here? Who's been eating Popeyes into my house? Disrespectful. You even got churches in here? Oh no. Come here. Who even ate chicken here? This is disrespectful! I'm gonna find out who brought this stupid
Yo, man, what you do? What are you doing with my chicken?
You bought that
Dude, I've been eating that stuff. It's f***ing good. Got a problem with it?
Well, of course I got a problem with it. You eat chicken in my house? Disrespectful. I'm a bird.
So what? You're a flamingo. You're not a chicken. You just dishonored my food. How dare you do that?
Your stuff is in my refrigerator. It's disgusting. You are disgusting.
It's f***ing food, bro. It's f***ing food.
You
I pay
disgust
lots
me.
of money for that stuff. My monkey business.
You monkey business and that chicken too. Your stuff. Get the out.
Man, you too with your orange that you call a beef.
Oh, well, hey, take your nasty chicken with you too.
I don't want that. That was on the ground. Off.
Don't let the door hit you on the when you get out.
Hey man, it was just a prank, man. It was just a prank.
Nah, I don't give a if it was a prank. You brought chicken in my house. That's disrespectful. I'm a bird. You brought fried bird into my house. That's basically bringing a dead body here. What's wrong with you?
It was just a prank, man. It was just a prank. We were filming. It was just a prank.
No, brother, that's not a prank. That is cruel. That is just so cruel. You brought fried bird into my house. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. You call that a prank?
It wasn't a fried flamingo.
It's still a fried bird.
But yo, bro, it was just a prank. It was just a prank. Camera's right there. It's just a prank, bro.
Get the out!
Who? Who? Fine.
Rick.
Didn't like that prank, huh?
Prank? That was not a prank.
I told you I was gonna get you back.
How? How was that funny? How was that even funny?
Your reaction, bruh.
No, that's not funny. You brought a dead bird here. A bird that was decapitated and then put it in a fryer, fried, and everyone's eating it.
Yeah, and you know what? They're still making it.
So thousands upon thousands of chickens just been killed for a food restaurant. I don't see how that's funny. Like, what if I brought a dead cat in here, which is your brother, and see how that's funny? See how is that funny?
I can't believe you did this, Flix.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna come back
Harder!
We'll see about that while I go take my cat nap on this table. No, this is uncomfortable. I might as well go on the couch.
They're gonna be in there for 10 hours, so let me entertain you for a second. A little to Billie Jean. Oh, sorry. Look, I look like Michael Jackson, don't I?
No!
He's black, though. I'll do this.
It looks like you're up in the air!
That's what Michael Jackson does. How are you doing a moonwalk? Oh, yeah.